This ethnicity is more about socio-economic, or it is a sociological term. Members of an ethnic group derive their identity from maybe a common cultural practice, or maybe a common identity, maybe religious beliefs, or maybe common language, or something else like that. On the other hand, if you take the term race, race is a biological term which is based on certain morphological characteristics, and these morphological characteristics are in response to environment, isn't it? You can see members of an ethnic group have a shared common history. Members of a race will have a common ancestry. You get my point? This, in larger context, nowadays the term ethnicity includes race. So at many places, even though there are certain differences, the term ethnicity also includes race. But the term race does not include ethnicity, because members of a same race can have different socio-cultural practice, and they can derive identity from different aspects, isn't it? So race, that is why they are including race in ethnicity. So wherever you see ethnicity, you have to understand the context in which they are speaking about this term. Race is clear cut. Say for example, this concept of ethnicity is a fluid concept which keeps changing from time to time. Say for example, if you take before independence, so Indian subcontinent completely called as India, but after that you have several groups like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan, or maybe Bangladesh, something like that. So the concept is fluid because it keeps changing with respect to time. As long as members of a particular group consider themselves deriving identity from some common things, then they will consider that, okay, we are members of a group. But once they want to part ways, then they become a new ethnic group, isn't it? And also you can find some smaller ethnic groups within a larger ethnic groups, which we can call as sub-ethnic groups. That means if you take India as a larger ethnic group, within India you have people from different states who are considered as a sub-ethnic group.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.